that windmill, dude.
See it fall down though.
Right here a second. Yeah, it's still it's a strong tornado right now. We gotta move out here in a second though. That's crazy, bro. It's coming straight at us. Yep, we gotta get out of here in a second. Let's start going, Jacob, hop in, Jacob. It's getting violent, Jacob, hop in. It's coming straight at us, hop in. Bro, oh, it got violent, bro, we gotta move. Hey, get on my life. Take my life. Point it up the tornado. Take my life, Get that full video. Hey, in here. Get my life here. Large tornado, it just got big. Just got giant. Oh, get out of here. It's violent, bro. Just got large out of nowhere. We gotta get out of here. Hey. Large violent tornado, y'all. Get out of here, y'all. Large. Go. It's on. Get out of here, y'all. Everybody here. Get out of the way. It's on. Go. Coming right at us. Big tornado. Holy. Big tornado going right toward Crowell, bro. Everybody. Oh my God. Another tornado. Holy. We got to get out of here. It's going straight for Crowell. Oh. We got to get out of here. Woo! Yes, sir. Woo! Oh. Holy, y'all. Holy tornado. Then right in front of us, we got more. Holy. We are on this, y'all. Another tornado. Right here, y'all. Big tornado. Big tornado. On the ground, going to the south of Crowell. Another big tornado right now. Big tornado. On the ground right now. Going to the south of Crowell. It looks like it's dissipating now. Look at this. This is insane. That's not. It's just all pulling in. This is insane. That was crazy.